Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
Proper badge loading is the most integral part of a successful badge print. In this video, we'll cover the proper loading and calibration of roll badge stock in the Zebra ZD620. Open the printer by pulling the release levers forward. Begin to load the roll stock into the printer. Align the guides to the roll stock size and pull through the front of the printer. To begin calibration with roll stock, navigate to Settings and make sure the media type is set to gap notch. Scroll to Print mode and make sure it is set to tear off to not waste badges. Navigate to the Tools menu and scroll to Media Ribbon Cal and press Start to begin calibration. Press the pause button when prompted to load backing and reload all. Pull the badge stock back after calibration and realign with the guides. Navigate back to the Settings menu and change the print mode from tear off to cutter. Advance a badge to verify proper calibration by unpausing the printer. When the cutter does not cut on the perforated line, navigate to Settings and adjust the tear-off number till you have the desired result. Navigate to the Tools menu and scroll to Load Defaults. Set to Factory, press Load, then Yes on Are You Sure? The printer will reset to factory settings.